a new way of understanding innovation where technology is not the end goal, but rather the means to evolve architectural projects. Living Now InWall changes perspective, subtracting rather than adding. It does not show, it integrates. For contemporary minimalism, a functional and ergonomic system, it integrates the electrical system into the architecture, restoring visual continuity and material and color uniformity. It thus defines a harmonious space, expanding the possibilities of interior design. Installation is simple, thanks to a universal kit suitable for all types of walls, reducing errors and installation time, compatible with all Living Now finishes and offering ultimate design versatility. Crafted with up to 90% recycled materials, this solution combines performance with environmental responsibility. Living Now InWall, a new design language in which technology becomes part of the architecture, evolving it to become an intelligent interface between space and people. Living Now InWall, the ultimate integration. Technology disappears, architecture becomes intelligent.